All right, guys, Glen Murray with the New Age Affiliate Film Series review. This is a very, very cool product. This is from my friend Branson Tay, Sir Branson Tay, as we call him. This kid knows how to do affiliate marketing. He's currently the number 5 affiliate marketer on Warrior Plus, I believe, and as well as ClickBank, CPA. He does everything. Anyway, what's really cool about this product is he's just sharing all his knowledge with you. So you're going to be blown away, and you get it for $7. Like, it's just unheard of value for $7. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you basically. This is what it is, guys, so you can just see. It's a sales page. You've never seen anything like it. It's very simple, and it's just go get this for $7 because it's amazing. He's going to just give you everything that he knows, and I'm going to get into that. I will show you in the back office exactly how much value is back there. Now, what I do want to show you is I want to jump over to my bonus page because I put together some really special bonuses. I actually worked with Branson on putting these bonuses together, so we're bringing you this like it's just packed with value, guys. You got the thousands and thousands of dollars worth of value. So first off, we're going to give you the where is it? So the first bonus, this is my bonus page, guys. The link right below here is going to pop you over to the bonus page. If you just want to go pick it up, then go here, grab it, and you can grab the bonus pages. So the first one is he's giving 2 30-minute one-on-one discovery sessions with Branson. So you're going to be able to it's basically coaching. So you get and he charges about $500 an hour. So this is a $500 like 2 30-minute one-on-one. So this is a phenomenal bonus we've got going. We've got the $1 million email marketing framework. So last year he did 1.7 million in affiliate marketing. He's going to give you his exact email marketing framework. Very, very cool. Super cool bonus. You're going to get a 60K done for you campaign, the exact copy of this. So you're going to get access to a 60K done for you campaign. Very, very cool. And also I'm going to throw in my 10K per month done for you super funnel with all my high converting email series. You're going to get that as well. Plus, there's some other exclusive vendor bonuses that you're going to get in your back office when you go into the New Age Affiliate Film Series. But basically, it's New Age Affiliate School is what it is. So those are the bonuses, guys. Basically, let's just jump over to the sales page here. It's basically a school, guys, and you're going to go to school for affiliate marketing. This is the ultimate shortcut for anyone who wants to start a wildly profitable affiliate marketing business but doesn't know where to begin. This is especially created for affiliate marketers hungry to generate a torrential downpour of affiliate sales every single day consistently, and most importantly is predictably. And this is the hardest thing. Even as a seasoned affiliate marketer, this is a tough one to keep that predictable income coming in. It's a surefire way to success because you get the complete training and system for absolutely every step of your affiliate marketing business, all proven and profitable. So it's just copy and paste. You just watch what he does and copy and paste. But there's more. He's got his 100-day, 100% guarantee. You get a customized business plan. He's got these other bonuses here: 7 deadly mistakes of affiliate marketers. All these great bonuses. Plus, we're going to get down here just so you know how it works for the sales. It's why only $7? The price for the New Age Affiliate Film Series is normally $47, but as a part of a pre-launch marketing campaign to gather testimonials, I'm giving it away for a special price of $7. He's going to sell this for years to come, guys. His other products, I still sell on a daily basis. I probably sell 3 to 5 of Branson's products every single day. Still to this day, like I continue to do it. All right, so let's dive in. Let's see it, and so you can see exactly what you can get. So this is the back office, guys. Basically, it's broken down into the beginning of everything, art of perception. But guys, this is just full of videos. You get to go through all those videos. You get to mark them as you're done. As you can see, I've only just started playing around in here because I wanted to get this video out to you right away. And by the way, this launches on September 22nd at 9 a.m. Eastern time. So this one you want to get it. If you're seeing this video slightly before that, you don't have to wait. Come back and you're going to get my bonuses. You have to use my link, those yellow buttons here. You have to use these yellow buttons here in order to get my bonuses. And then your bonuses will be delivered in your purchase area of Warrior Plus, and you'll see a blue button, and that's how you're going to get them. So back to what this is. It is, you've got, so getting into the niche is so important. He's going to craft your razor sharp marketing. You're going to get into the art of the prescription, customer acquisition, traffic unleash. So he basically covers everything in this for just $7, guys. This is very, very phenomenal. And all these videos are just like 3 to 5 minutes long. They're not long. You can, there's a 6-minute one, 4 minutes, 7 minutes, 7 minute. So 3 minutes, guys, are just short and precise. And this is how Branson's training you. So you're going to be able to go through this very quickly, get all this information, and go to town with it. Now, that is the sales page. That's the thing. Again, my bonuses, guys, you're going to get a full hour with Branson broken up into the two one-on-one discovery sessions. So 30 minutes. You're going to get the $1 million email marketing framework. You're going to get the 60K done for your campaign. You're going to get my 10K done for your monthly funnel, and you're going to get all the vendor bonuses. All right. So let me go back to here. So why do I love this product? Well, I am in actually a bunch of inner circle groups with Branson, and every time he basically adds his 2 cents into the conversation in these groups, we all listen, because this guy, he doesn't actually interact that much, but when he does, he has so much good value to say. He builds solid products. He creates like his products have sold like 20,000 copies, 25,000 copies. Like his products do really, really well. Why? Because he knows what he's doing. This is the kind of insight you want to get into. Now, you could go probably get a training series like this from anybody that's not making money. They're just putting together a product, but you're not going to get the insight. You're not going to get the brains, and you're not going to be able to get those one-on-one calls with someone like Branson, because this is a guy that's doing it. This is one of the top affiliates in the world, right? Like, this is like when you start making, basically, guys, if you're making over 6 figures, you're in the top probably 3% of all affiliates. And that's why we all look for these people that are making $1 million a year, and we want to get their information. I'm picking this up. This is a no-brainer for me to grab this. I'm definitely grabbing this because I want to have the one-on-ones with Branson, and I want his framework. I want to know everything he's doing, right? I'm going to be grabbing this just so I can get the bonuses as well. And remember, guys, even as marketers, we don't get all this stuff for free. We go buy it. And why do we buy it? A, we want to support our other vendors. But B, I feel it's important to pay for this information, right? This is like, I'm glad to be paying for this information that he's going to just share with me. And that's why I go buy a lot of these products that I promote, because I want to give back to the vendor, but I also want to pay for their expertise, to pay for their knowledge. So if you want to go pick this up, I highly recommend $7. You're not, like, you can't get anything today for $7. Well, actually, that's not true. I think in some places on Whopper Wednesday, you could probably get a Burger King Whopper meal for $7. But other than that, you can't get anything for $7, especially $7 that could potentially change your life. Just imagine if you did 1/10 of what Branson did, right? 1/10. It's $170,000, right? Like, okay, let's say you could do 1/100th what he does. What's that? That's still $17,000, right? No, that's that's $17,000. So just getting this knowledge for $7, like, you're going to be getting so much from it. So basically, there's not much more else to go into. I can't start showing you all the videos because that's all the training. That's what you'd be paying for. But that's basically it. You go in there, you're going to get the bonuses. You're going to get the bonuses from me, and basically that's it. Put it to work. There is the Facebook community with which you're going to be able to go in there and ask questions, talk to other marketers. You'll be able to see me in there talking to me. There's also within the school itself, within the software, you're going to be able to interact. So again, this has been my New Age affiliate film series. This is a new product from Branson Tay, and I think he's really knocked it out of the park. What I've seen so far, guys, which I've just saw a few glimpses of the videos, going through them, he's knocked it out of the park. This is what you need to know. So click the link below, go grab it, and I will see you on the inside. Cheers.